Here's a list of popular books on finance and personal finance that everyone should read. Number 1, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance book written by Robert Kiyosaki. It describes his childhood and early adult experiences and the lessons he learned from his rich dad, his best friend's father, and poor dad, his own father. Here are some of the key lessons from the book. The difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. He defines an asset as something that puts money in your pocket, while a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. He believes that the rich focus on acquiring assets while the poor focus on acquiring liabilities. The importance of financial education. Kiyosaki believes that financial education is critical to building wealth. He argues that the traditional education system doesn't teach us about money, and that we need to educate ourselves to become financially literate. The power of passive income. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of creating passive income streams. He defines passive income as money that comes in without requiring active work on your part. He encourages readers to find ways to generate passive income, such as through real estate investing or starting a business. The value of taking calculated risks. Kiyosaki argues that taking calculated risks is essential to building wealth. He encourages readers to take risks and learn from their failures, rather than avoiding risk altogether. The importance of mindset. Kiyosaki believes that mindset is critical to success. He argues that the way we think about money and wealth has a huge impact on our ability to achieve financial freedom. He encourages readers to adopt a rich mindset and to think like entrepreneurs. Overall, Rich Dad, Poor Dad encourages readers to think differently about money and wealth, and to take action to build passive income streams and invest in assets. Book number 2, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey is a personal finance book that provides a step-by-step guide for people to get out of debt, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. Here are some of the key lessons from the book. The importance of a budget. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of creating and sticking to a budget. He believes that a budget is the foundation of financial success and helps people to prioritize their spending and avoid overspending. The debt snowball method. Ramsey promotes the debt snowball method for paying off debt. This involves paying off the smallest debts first and then using the money that was previously going towards those debts to pay off larger debts. This approach helps people to gain momentum and stay motivated as they pay off their debts. Building an emergency fund. Ramsey encourages readers to build an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This fund helps to provide a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or a loss of income. Investing for the long term. Ramsey advocates for investing for the long term in mutual funds with a good track record. He encourages readers to avoid individual stock picking and to stay invested through market ups and downs. The importance of giving. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of giving back to others. He believes that giving not only helps others, but also helps to build character and creates a sense of purpose. Overall, The Total Money Makeover encourages readers to take control of their finances by budgeting, paying off debt, building an emergency fund, investing for the long term, and giving back. By following these steps, readers can achieve financial freedom and build wealth over time. Book number 3, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko is a book based on research and interviews with millionaires in the United States. The authors provide insights into the behaviors and habits of self-made millionaires. Here are some of the key lessons from the book. Live below your means. The authors found that the majority of self-made millionaires live below their means, rather than spending money on flashy items. They emphasize the importance of being frugal and prioritizing long-term financial goals over short-term gratification. Build wealth slowly. The authors argue that building wealth is a slow process that requires discipline and patience. They found that the majority of self-made millionaires accumulated their wealth over a long period of time through consistent saving and investing. Invest wisely. The authors found that self-made millionaires tend to invest in conservative, low-cost investments such as index funds. They also emphasize the importance of avoiding get-rich-quick schemes and instead focusing on long-term, steady growth. Have a plan and stick to it. The authors found that successful millionaires tend to have a plan for their finances and stick to it. They prioritize saving and investing and avoid getting sidetracked by short-term financial goals. Be financially independent. The authors argue that being financially independent is key to building wealth. This means not relying on others for financial support and having the freedom to make decisions based on what is best for you and your financial goals. Overall, The Millionaire Next Door emphasizes the importance of living below your means, investing wisely, and being financially independent. It provides insights into the habits and behaviors of self-made millionaires and can serve as a guide for those seeking to build wealth over the long term. Book number 4, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason is a classic personal finance book that uses parables set in ancient Babylon to illustrate timeless financial principles. Here are some of the key lessons from the book. Pay yourself first. The book emphasizes the importance of paying yourself first by saving a portion of your income before spending it. The idea is to save at least 10% of your income and invest it in order to build wealth over time. Invest wisely. The book encourages readers to invest their savings in income-producing assets such as real estate or businesses. It advises against investing in speculative ventures or get-rich-quick schemes. Live within your means. The book stresses the importance of living within your means and avoiding debt. It advocates for spending less than you earn and prioritizing needs over wants. Seek knowledge. The book emphasizes the importance of seeking knowledge in order to become financially successful. It advises readers to learn about personal finance, investing, and business in order to make informed decisions. Be persistent. The book encourages readers to be persistent in their pursuit of wealth. It advises against giving up after failure and instead to learn from mistakes and continue working towards financial success. Overall, The Richest Man in Babylon provides practical financial advice through engaging stories set in ancient Babylon. Its lessons are still relevant today and can serve as a guide for those seeking to build wealth and achieve financial success. Book number 5, The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins is a personal finance book that provides a straightforward approach to achieving financial independence through investing. Here are some of the key lessons from the book. Invest in low-cost index funds. The book emphasizes the importance of investing in low-cost index funds, which provide broad market exposure and low fees. Index funds are a simple and effective way to build wealth over time. Save aggressively. The book encourages readers to save aggressively in order to build wealth faster. It advises readers to live below their means, avoid debt, and prioritize saving and investing over spending. Avoid market timing and speculation. The book advises against trying to time the market or engage in speculative investments. It stresses the importance of taking a long-term approach to investing and avoiding unnecessary risks. Don't try to beat the market. The book argues that trying to beat the market through individual stock picking or market timing is a losing strategy. It advises readers to focus on low-cost index funds and a diversified portfolio. Keep it simple. The book emphasizes the importance of keeping your investments and financial plans simple. It advises against complex financial products or strategies and encourages readers to focus on the basics. Overall, The Simple Path to Wealth provides a simple and effective approach to achieving financial independence through low-cost index fund investing and aggressive saving. It encourages readers to avoid unnecessary risks and keep their financial plan and investments simple. These 5 books cover a wide range of topics related to personal finance and investing, and they provide a wealth of practical advice and insights for readers at all levels of experience and expertise. Whether you're just getting started with your finances or you're looking to take your investing to the next level, these books offer something valuable for everyone. Tell us in the comments below which books do you read, or which one should we put in this top 5 according to you. Thanks for watching and see you soon.